Hey guys, welcome back to another review, joined by our co-host Bryson.
Hello.
And me, Basic. So let's start. So we have this country time lemonade.
So it says it has no artificial sweeteners or flavors. It's from the USA, and you can make one serving with 1 tablespoon, which is
And 16 serving, aka 16 tablespoons, can make an entire gallon of lemonade. That's amazing, right? Don't you think? So let's get started. And also I had a dream of making a lemonade stand, selling lemonades. You like it? So let's go. So we have to open it. Wow, I thought they would scam us by just putting it so it's so small down. But it seems like they did not. Actually, they did. Nice.
This is 1 tablespoon, so I'm gonna pour it in here.
Kind of looks like a tablespoon.
Okay, we're gonna pour this water, 1 cup. We're gonna mix it.
So this is basically half of that cup, that big cup. So I don't think you need some sugar.
We don't need sugar in it.
Yeah? There's some powder on your hand.
Mm-hmm.
What does it smell like?
It smells like lemonade.
Smelling. Smells like lemonade. It does.
Okay,
So let's
we're gonna pour it down here.
Oh, we just felt 1 cup, but there's still more. Is it sour?
It's a bit sour, but it's not that sour.
Not too much of a taste. Do we need to add?
Yeah, we need to add more.
But it does actually taste like lemonade because it's a bit like sour, like at least sour. Maybe we might need sugar.
I don't think we need sugar. Let's add more here.
We should add more water.
No, we don't need more water. We just mix it.
We're mixing it with ice. Nice. Nice. Tastes better?
It tastes a bit more sweet.
These taste sweet. And we also have this. A visitor. A visitor from another review that we did previously. Let's mix it in.
Orange pulp.
Add the
Gonna
pulp.
mix it.
Let's mix it together.
This orange juice. Orange juice.
Lemon meets orange. Nice. Tastes a bit better?
Yeah, it tastes a lot better.
We could open our own stand.
Yeah.
Ooh. It does taste sweet and sour at the same time. Sweet and sour. Both of them. It's very nice. You think it's worth it? Yes?
With this much, you can make a lot of these.
Yeah.
And I'm barely even using any of the powder.
But the con is that it can't really get scooped up if you use that spoon.
It's hard to scoop out.
Yes, it's hard to scoop up.
But they do have a measuring cup
So it's about 25 ringgit for this entire powder. Would you say it's worth it?
Yeah, because I didn't really use that much powder out of the entire thing, so that you can make a lot of cups of these, which makes it worth way more than other cans.
Whoa. So I gotta say, it could be worth it. We could add sugar to make it more sweet. But if you mix it with this sack thing, it's nice. Did you check on the water?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.